Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to check are you blocked by someone on WhatsApp. It's very quick and easy. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. There are 4 ways to check are you blocked. Let's go to WhatsApp. DP-less contacts are doubtful that he or she has blocked you. In first method, open up DP or profile pic. If it shows nothing on profile pic, it means that one blocked you. In second method, you have to open up chat, send couple of messages to your friend. If these messages remain single tick for 24 hours and these don't turn into double tick or turn blue, it means that your friend has blocked you. These ticks are still single after 24 hours, it means this friend has blocked me. In third method, you have to make a voice call to your friend. The voice call will not connect and it will show no answer on your chat. In fourth method, you have to go to home page of your WhatsApp. Click on three dots in top right corner. Now create a new group with your friend. Choose your friend contact and create a group. Now give a name to new group. Creating group. Could not add my friend. It means 100% confirm that my friend has blocked me. This way you can check you are blocked or not. Like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching my channel.